In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to your GoDaddy website using their website builder. Whether you're new to website building or just looking to enhance your site with some visuals, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to head over to GoDaddy's website if you haven't already. You may start by exploring their features with a free trial if you're not yet a user. This is a great way to get a feel for what GoDaddy has to offer without any immediate commitment. Once you're set up and ready, open your GoDaddy website builder. Navigate to the specific page where you intend to place your image. This could be your home page, a gallery section, or any other page that you're working on. Ensuring you're on the right page is crucial, as it helps maintain the flow and design of your site. Next, look for the plus sign, usually represented by a plus button. This button is your gateway to adding new content sections. When you click it, you'll be presented with a variety of section types. Go ahead and choose either image or photo gallery, depending on whether you're adding a single image or a collection. Now comes the exciting part, uploading your image. Simply click on the Add Image or Upload button. From here, you can select any image stored on your computer. If you're looking for stock photos or a broader selection, GoDaddy provides a library of images and stock photos you can browse and choose from. This is a fantastic feature, especially if you're seeking professional-grade images without the trouble of finding them elsewhere. Once your image is in place, the customization options become available. These include applying various filters to enhance the aesthetic of your image, resizing it to fit your design perfectly, or even cropping it for better composition. If your image requires a cleaner look, consider using the background removal feature. For those who wish to convey a message visually, adding text overlay can be an effective way to complement your image. These customization options are powerful tools to tailor your visuals to match your website's branding and design ethos. After you've fine-tuned your image, don't forget to save your work by clicking the Save Draft option. This ensures that all your changes are well documented and won't be lost. Once you're satisfied with the outcome, go ahead and publish your website to make these changes live and visible to the public. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to adding images to your GoDaddy website using their website builder. With these tools at your disposal, you're well on your way to creating engaging, visually appealing web pages that capture the attention of your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy building!